कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबं सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदविद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः मङ्गलं कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। All the monkeys and their battalions of various kinds have come from all over the world, and Sugriva had submitted all of them to Rama, and all of them are, according to Rama's command, can proceed on wherever they need to. And submitting all of them, Sugriva had said that it is now up to him to decide. In 40th Sarga, we are in the sixth onward. Nideshavardina sarve
निदेशवर्तिनः सर्वे
गुरुहिते स्थिताः
सर्वे गुरुहिते स्थिताः अभिप्रेतम् अनुष्ठातुम्
तव शक्यन्तरिन्दम
तव शक्ष्यन् Arindama.
Okay. The ime bahusahasraihi.
The ime bahusahasraihi.
Anikair bhima vikramaihi.
Anikai bhima vikramaihi.
Agata vanara ghoraha.
Agata vanara ghoraha.
Daityadanavasannibaha.
Daityadana sannibhaha.
Yanmanyase naravyakra.
Yanmanyase naravyaghra.
Prapta kalam taducchatam.
Praptakalam taduchyatam.
Tvatsainyam tvadrishe yuktam.
Tvatsainyam tvadvashe swam.
Yeah, tvadrishe.
Tvatsainyam tvadvashe yuktam.
Ajñapayitumarhasi.
Ajñapayitum arhasi.
Kamamevamidam karyam. Kamameshamidam karyam.
Kamameshamidam karyam.
Vididam mama tattvataha.
Viditam mama tatvataha.
Tatabitu yata yuktam.
Tathapitu yatha yuktam.
Ajñapayitumarhasi.
Ajñapayitum arhasi.
Nideshavartinaha, we saw that last time also. According to the command, they will abide by sarve guruhite stitaha. Here, guru should be understood as the master, that is, whoever be the master, they are ready to abide or stay by them, and for the advantage of the guru or the master. Agata vanara goraha, these terrible looking vanaras have come. And it is similar to the verse number 3, Daitya Danava Sannibaha. They are all equal to that of Daityas, Ditiputraha, Dainyaha, then Rakshasaha, Danava, there are, I've told you about demons, Asuraha, Danavaha, Raksasaha. Asuras are also dwellers near heaven, are constantly fighting with suras. They are cousins. There are cursed beings. They are also known as the dwellers of the heaven. They are called Danavaha. Then there are Rakshasa. Rakshasas are usually those who are also cursed, but they usually dwell only in the earth. Rakshas is the word. Raksh is to protect. Rakshati. And Rakshasas are those who are sent to earth to protect the earth, actually. That is the reason why we need to do the appropriate yajna karya to propitiate the rulers of the earth, the original rulers of the earth, to take permission from them to use the earth. Nobody actually owns the earth. Nobody can buy it. It is divine protectors who are there, not divine protectors, Rakshasas. But then, when we as human beings start to use the earth, we have to take permission from them. It is like all the other animals also have the right over the same earth where we and I live. Elephants and monkeys and tigers and whatnot, and also reptiles on the ocean or in the water, and then all the various small cockroaches, germs, bacteria. Everybody has got right over this earth. But we as human beings intelligently have grabbed the earth from them. They have the right to live as much as you do. You cannot say, I bought it for money. From whom? They are the owners. Yeah. So we should understand that nobody actually owns it. We are only taking it for lease with their permission. So Rakshasas are said to be the one who are expected to protect the wealth called the earth. Rakshanam karoti. So they are not included here. But they are here they are saying, they are seen, these Vanaras are seen to be as powerful as Daitya Danava. Ravana is not a Daitya nor Danava, he is a Rakshasa. Originally a Brahmana, but had acquired the qualities of a Rakshasa because of his own doing. All of us are also in this very earth. We acquire the qualities of Rakshasas when we become too greedy, too violent. Our Rajas makes us Rakshasa. Rakshasa quality. In chapter 14 of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna explains not Rakshasa quality, Daiva Asuri Sampat. Daivi Sampat tata Asuri Sampat. And in that introduction, Gurudev writes about who are not the Asuras. They are different from Rakshasas. Anyway, so here these monkeys have got such a quality as terrible looking like that of Daityas and Danavas. Hey Naravyagra, oh, tiger among men, Yad manyase prapta kalam taduchata. What is the appropriate time for us to proceed in search of Sita? Tvat sainyam tvat vashe. You are this sainyam, that great army, that of crores and crores of monkeys that are available, that are all under your control. And also earlier he says, Abhiprema manushtatum tattava. According to your own desire to stay by whether Shakyanti are capable. Shakyanti will become capable. Arindama, oh, destroyer of enemies, earlier said. And Yuktam Ajnapayitum Arhasi. Accordingly, you can command them. You'll be able to command them. You are the one who will be able to direct them where they have to go. Even though I know Kamam Esham Idam Karyam Mama Viditam Satvataha. I am aware and I am fully informed about what needs to be done. Tatapi, even then, Yata Yuktam Ajnapayidum Arhasi. You need to direct them, because now I am giving them all to you, because it is your task and you better plan and guide for them. This way, Sugriva had submitted the army to Sri Rama. So what did he do for that? So here it is said in the verse number 10 onward. Tata Bruvanam Sugrivam.
Tatha Bruvanam Sugrivam
Ramo Dasharathatmajaha.
Ramo Dasharathatmajaha
Bahubhyam Samparishvajya.
Bahubhyam Samparishvajya
Idam Vachanam Abravit.
Idam Vachanam Abravit.
Jnayatam Saumya Vaidehi Jnapatam. What is Jnayatam, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Jnayatam Saumya Vaidehi
Jnayatam saumya vaidehi
Yadi Jivati Vanava
yadi jivati vanava
Tadesho Mahaprajna
sachadesho mahaprajna
Yasmin Vasadi Ravanaha
yasmin vasati ravanaha
Adigamyatu Vaidehim
adhigamyatu vaidehim
Nilayam Ravanasya Cha
nilayam ravanasya cha
Praptakalam Vidasyami
praptakalam vidhasyami
Tasmin Kale Sahatvaya
tasmin kale sahatvaya
Ahamasmin Prabhukarye
nahamasmin prabhukarye
Vanarendrana Lakshmanaha
vanarendrana lakshmanaha
Mamasya Hedukaryasya
त्वमस्य हेतुः कार्यस्य
Prabhuscha Plavageshwara
प्रभुश्च प्लवगेश्वर
Mevajñāvaya Vibho
त्वम् एवाज्ञापय विभो
Mama Karya Vinischayam
मम कार्यविनिश्चयम्
Mamhi Janasi Ye Karyam Me Karyam
त्वं हि जानासि मे कार्यम्
Mama Virana Samshayaha
मम वीरन संशयः
Sudvitiyo Vikrantaha
सुहृद् द्वितीयो विक्रान्तः
Ajña Kala Visheshavit
प्राज्ञकालविशेषवित्
Avanasmadvite Yuktaha
भवान् अस्मद् विदिते युक्तः
Asmadhite
अस्मद्हिते भवान् अस्मद्हिते युक्तः
Suhrad Aptortachit Vittamaha
सुहृत् आप्तोऽर्थ वित्तमः
Tata, then Pruvanam Sugrivam, this way one who spoke, Ramaha Dasharatmajaha Bahubhyam Samparishritya, holding him in by his hand, embracing him, in other words, then Idam Vajanam Abravit spoke as this way. Hey, Saumya, O good looking one. Yadi Vaidehim Jivadiva Nava iti Jnayatam. First of all, you need to find out whether she is alive or not. So many months are over. She is in somebody else's hand. Which direction we went, vaguely we know. What kind of a person Ravana, we don't know. Where he has kept, we do not know. And I'm sure that she is not enjoying her stay somewhere. And what place, such a Desho Mahaprajna Yasmin Vasadi Ravana. And also we need to find out Ravana where he is. As I said, it is not necessary that he might have taken only to the southern direction. He might have gone towards southern direction and perhaps moved somewhere else. Now it is like when you sit in the airport, every flight is going on in one direction only, where the runway is. So all of them go in one direction. So you wonder, if all of them are going this side, but where I have to go is somewhere that side. So what happens is when the flight takes off, it will take off in one direction only, all of them. But that is how the runway is built. Then they go for some distance and then turn around and go to the direction where they want to go. Similarly, while coming also, they come from all directions, but all of them come to a main point and then enter into the airport in the same way. So you might have seen Ravana carrying her in the chariot, as you might have noticed, because she threw away the jewelry. You have also showed it to me. And she was apparently going in the southern direction. But not necessary that he must have taken her only in the southern direction. So it is for us to find out first of all where she is, whether she is alive or not. Where is Ravana? Sometime Ravana may be there, Sita may be kept somewhere else, or maybe dead. Vaidehim to Adigamya Nilayam, Vaidehi Nilayam, sorry, not Vaidehim. Or Vaidehim, because print is not clear, so I cannot say that. So Adigamya to Vaidehim, it should be because its second case should be there. Yes. Ravanasya Nilayam Cha. Ravana's abode as well as where is Vaidehi. Prapta Kalam Vidasyami. After finding out where she is, then only I can tell further what needs to be done. Tasmin Kale Sahatvaya, along with you. At this point, I do not have any clue about where she is, so therefore I cannot say anything to them. Naham asmin prabhu karyam Vanarendrana Lakshmana. Na aham prabhu asmi. Asmin karye na aham prabhu. In this task of finding out where she is, I am not the real commander. Because you are very well aware of all regions from which they all have come. Neither me, hey Vanarendra, neither me nor Lakshmana are capable of doing this. Tvamasya hetuhu, you are the only instrumental, you are only instrumental for this. Asya karyasya tvam eva hetuhu. Prabhuscha, you are the commander. Plavageshwara. Tvameva ajñapaya. You only please command them. Mama karya nischayam. Minischayam. For my task to be accomplished for sure. Tvam hi janasi me karyam. You know what I want. Hey mama veera na samshaya. Hey veera na samshaya. You know me, you know my mama karyam janasi, me janasi. You know me as well as my work also. There is no doubt about this. So, oh, strong one, you please command this. And I consider you as second to me only. Because Rama should not underestimate Sugriva here. He gives him equal position. He's saying, Suhrut Dvitiyo, you are considered by me as only second to me. Vikranta. Vikrantaha, you are Prajnaha, you are strong, you are aware. Kala Visheshavit. You are not only wise, but you know exactly what needs to be done at what time. And Pavan Matvide Yuktaha. Madhite yukta. You are always engaged in what is beneficial to me. Suhrud aptaha. You are the most dear friend. Arthavittamaha. And you are also knowing artham, the purpose. The one who knows the purpose for which I am here, that you know the best. Because that is why we had a friendship deal. And therefore, please command these monkeys accordingly to first of all find out where Sita is, whether she is alive or not, where is Ravana. Once they come with that information, then I will take lead on proceeding further to destroy Ravana and bring back Sita. Eva muktasu sugrivo.
Evamuktastu Sugrivo
Vinatam nama yutapam.
Vinatam nama yuthapam
Abravit Rama sannidhye.
Abravit Rama sannidhye
Lakshmanasya cha dhimatah.
Lakshmanasya cha dhimatah
Kailabam mega nirgosham.
शैलाभं मेघनिर्घोषम्
ऊर्जितं प्लवगेश्वरम्
ऊर्जितं प्लवगेश्वरम्
सोमसूर्यनिभैः सार्धम्
सोमसूर्यनिभैः सार्धम्
वानरैर्वानरोत्तम
वानरैर्वानरोत्तम
देशकाल देशकालनयैर्युक्तः
देशकालनयैर्युक्तः
विज्ञकार्यविनिश्चये
विज्ञकार्यविनिश्चये
शतसहस्रेण
वृतः शतसहस्रेण
वानराणां तरस्विनाम्
वानराणां तरस्विनाम्
अधिगच्छ दिशं पूर्वाम्
अधिगच्छ दिशं पूर्वाम्
सशैलवनकाननाम्
सशैलवनकाननाम्
तत्र सीतां च वैदेहीम्
तत्र सीतां च वैदेहीम्
निलयं रावणस्य च
निलयं रावणस्य च
मार्गत्वं गिरिदुर्गेषु
मार्गध्वं गिरिदुर्गेषु
वनेषु च नदीषु च
वनेषु च नदीषु च
नदीं भागीरथीं रम्याम्
नदीं भागीरथीं रम्याम्
सूरयं कौशिकीं तथा
सरयूं
सरयूं कौशिकीं तथा
सरयूं कौशिकीं तथा
कालिन्दो यमुनां रम्याम्
कालिन्दीं यमुनां रम्याम्
यामुनं च महागिरिं
यामुनं च महागिरिं
सरस्वतीं च सिन्धुं च
सरस्वतीं च सिन्धुं च
शोणं मणिनिबोधकम्
शोणं मणिनिबोधकम्
महीं कालमहीं चापि
महीं कालमहीं चापि
शैलकाननशोभिताम्
शैलकाननशोभिताम्
ब्रह्ममालान् विदेहांश्च
ब्रह्ममालान् विदेहांश्च
मालवान् काशिकोसलान्
मालवान् काशिकोसलान्
मागधांश्च महाग्रामान्
मागधांश्च महाग्रामान्
पुन्द्रांस्त्वङ्गांस्तथैव च
पुण्ड्रांस्त्वङ्गांस्तथैव च
भूमिं च कोशकाराणाम्
भूमिं च कोशकाराणाम्
भूमिं च रजताका भूमिं च रजताकराम्
भूमिं च रजताकराम्
सर्वं च यत् विचेतव्यम्
सर्वं च तद् विचेतव्यम्
मार्गयद्भिस्ततस्ततः
मार्गयद्भिस्ततस्ततः
रामस्य दयितां भार्याम्
रामस्य दयितां भार्याम्
गीतां दशरथस्नुषाम्
सीतां दशरथस्नुषां sorry
So here it is important that he gets the correct person for correct work. So here he very clearly says to one of the leaders known as Vinata. So eva muktastu sugriha vinatam nama yutapam. He called the leader, one of the leaders, Vinata. Rama sannidhye Lakshmanasya cha. In the presence of Rama and Lakshmana, and Lakshmana is especially referred as Dhimataha Lakshmanasya, or it can go to both of them. Ramasya, Dhimataha Lakshmanasya, Sannidhye Abravit. In their presence, he said, Dhimataha means Dhimantaha, Dhimantaha, Dhiman, Bhagavan, like Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavataha. So, Bhagavat Sabda, Dhimat. Shailabam Mega Nirgosham Urjitam. Shaila Abam, he, Vinata, is looking like that of a huge mountain. Shaila Abam, Mega Nirgosham. one who roars like that of the clouds. Urjitam, extremely energetic and mighty. Plavageshwaram, Soma Surya Nibaihi, one who's shining like that of the moon, sun and the moon. Sardam, Vanaraihi, Vanarottama. Soma Surya Nibaihi, Sardam, Vanaraihi. These Vanaras who are equal to that of the sun and the moon in power. Hey Narottama, oh, the best. Vanarottama, oh, the best among the monkeys. Now he is addressing. Deshakala Nayer Yuktaha Vignaha Karya Vinishchaye. You, the one who is Deshakala Nayer Yuktaha. Deshascha Kalascha Naya. Naya means policy. The policy or the strategy, so to say. The strategy that are appropriate to time and place. Karya Vinishchaye, to complete a particular task. Brutaha Shadasahasrena Vanaranam, along with all the Vanaras who are in hundreds and thousands. Tarasvinam, who are capable of anything complete. They are quick and extremely agile. Purvam Disham Adhigacha. Purva Disha means what? Purva. Purvam. One meaning is before. Another meaning is it is eastern quarters of the earth. In India, you will find, except in the south, there is no water or ocean front in the map of India, Bharat. The southern quarter alone, if you are standing in UP, let's say MP, if you're standing in MP, standing in Madhya Pradesh, if you go towards south only, there is water. Water means ocean. There are many, many rivers all over the country at that time, nowadays also, but mostly at that time, going across the cross. And the fertile lands are available all over the country because the southern part, ocean is there, and but not major rivers. Most of the major rivers are found coming from Himalayas. Whereas in the south, they depend mainly on rains. Whether it's Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, part of Maharashtra, Goa. Major rivers are not there which are having continuous supply of water. Because continuous supply comes only when the snow melts. The snow melting is only in the north and parts of the east and parts of the west. Whereas down south, it is depending upon the rains, because most of the water run down to the ocean straight away because it's narrowing down. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Bhagirathi, Brahmaputra, Sindhu, Sutlej, all of them have their origin in Himalayas, and they are all, for example, if you like Punjab, Pancha Aap, 5 rivers are running there. That's a most fertile land. Always. They don't depend upon the rains. Therefore, you can predict your cultivation. And here, eastern side, which is beautifully going to be explained by Valmiki ji. What are the things that are available in the eastern side? By explaining where to search for Sita, Valmiki ji pretty much has given the geographical location of entire Bharat. Now you see here, he gives. He says, this Purvam Disham Sashaila Vanakananam, along with mountains and forests. Forests are two types, Vana and Kanana. So what is the difference in Vana and Kanana? See, Ashoka Vanam, it's not Ashoka Kanana. Ashoka Vanam, it's a grove. It's a grove in which a particular type of trees are going on. They are consisting of many groves. Whereas Kanana is a wild place. Nothing is, many different kinds of trees, but they are all wildly growing. It's not groves. It's not mango grove or a coconut grove. It's not like that. So here you find that various the things are. So here we should understand that way. Vana and Kana. Tatra Sitam cha Vaidehim Nilayam Ravanasya cha. Find out Sita's place as well as Vaidehim Nilayam Sitam cha Vaidehim. I mean, he put both the names. Ravanasya Nilayam cha Margatvam, search. Giridurgeshu, in the most inaccessible mountains also, Vaneshu cha Nadishu cha, forests and rivers, especially Nadim Bhagirathim Ramyam, especially the Bhagirathi, the river that is flowing, Sarayu River, Kaushiki. These are all the various rivers that are mentioned here, because many of the historians have taken the Ramayana as the authority to find out whatever the geographical locations that were there, and also what are the rivers at that time were present, 10,000 years back almost. And what are the mountains that were there, how many forests that were there. Now you see, Mahim Kala Mahim Chapi, Kalindim Yamunam Ramya. Kalindi is the starting point of Yamuna. So Kalindim Yamunam. Yamuna means where the Yamuna started. Yamunam Ramyam cha Mahagirim, the huge mountain of Kalindi. Saraswatim cha Sindhum cha Shonam Mani Niba Udakam. So the Saraswati river, now you mentioned, the Saraswati was running at that time. See, Saraswati has gone over to Rajasthan and then come down to, it is to meet, Arabic Ocean. But actually the original starting point is somewhere in the east. That is why in the people who are now known as Konkanis, they were originally from East Bengal. And they were descendants, they were descendants of Gaudapala. And they were worshippers of Saraswati rivers. And they are known as Saraswats. Saraswat, and why they are called Saraswat? Because they were originally from the east, where Saraswati river was flowing across the country. And now, because of over a period of time, Saraswati has gone down, all the way down, and they have NASA also has traced the the traces of Saraswati going across the country. Kuda Saraswati, it is very hidden. And it is said that only in Prayag, it is said that Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, all the three of them are merging. And only you can see Ganga and Yamuna very clearly in the Triveni Sangama. You cannot see Saraswati actually. But when we went to, it is said that it can be seen only in the only one place where near Badrinath, it is said that the water is particularly seen, and that is considered as Saraswati. So that is the belief. So here Saraswatim Sindhu. Sindhu is that which is flowing again from Himalayas, and the place where Sindhu Nadi flows is called Sindh. It is in Pakistan. Shonam, the red. Maninibodakam, there is one more particular river which is mentioned here, which is considered as the color of red because of the sand in which it was glowing. It's a red sand, and whose waters are like that of the jewel. It's sparkling like a jewel. So Maninibodakam, Maniniba Udakam. Kalamahi Mahim Chapi. Kalamahi is also Mahi and Kalamahi. Mahim Kalamahim Chapi. Shaila Kanana Shobitam, flowing through various mountains and river, various mountains and forests. Brahmamalan Videhamscha. And also you have a country or a territory known as Brahmamala and Videha, Malava, Kashi, Kosala. Kosala is place where Rama's mother has come from. They call Kausala. They street for the Kausalya. Kosala Desa. Magadha. It's known as Magadha. Mahagraman, the great city. Pundran, it's another big place at that time. And also Anga Maharaj, they are also very known. Tada Evacha, it is in Mahabharata, you can find there. And we find at the places where silk was pretty much produced, Koshakaranam Bhumim, where the silkworms were cultivated and the silk clothes were made, very well known in that area, because Bengal silk is also known. Bengal area, the silk is very well known. So that also in the very eastern side. And Rajatakaram Bhumim, whereas the silver mines are also found there. Sarvam chatat vicetavyam, every place to be searched. Margayat bihi, whatever is to be searched, you search them. Tatas tataha, there and there. So your allotted place is the eastern side. What is to look for? Ramasya diyatam bharyam sitam. The most beloved of Rama, Ramasya dayitam sitam bharyam. Also Dasharadasya Snusham. Snusha means daughter-in-law. So also look for Sita, who is also the daughter-in-law of Dasharatha. Samudram avagadamscha.
Samudram avagadhamscha.
Parvadan pattanani cha.
Parvatam pattanani cha.
Mandarasya cha ye kotim.
Mandarasya cha ye kotim.
Samshrita kechidalayaha.
Samshrita kechidalayaha.
Karna pravaranaschaiva.
Karna pravaranaschaiva.
Tada chapyoshta karnakaha.
तथा चाप्योष्ठकर्णकाः
घोरलोहमुखाश्चैव
घोरलोहमुखाश्चैव
यवनाश्चैकपादकाः
जवनाश्चैकपादकाः
अक्षया बलवन्तश्च
अक्षया बलवन्तश्च
तदैव पुरुषादकाः
तथैव पुरुषादकाः
किरातास्तीक्ष्णचूडाश्च
किरातास्तीक्ष्णचूडाश्च
हेमाभा प्रियदर्शनाः
हेमाभा प्रियदर्शनाः
आममीनाशनाश्चापि
आममीनाशनाश्चापि
किराता द्वीपवासिनः
किराता द्वीपवासिनः
अन्तर्जलचरा घोराः
अन्तर्जलचरा घोराः
नरव्याघ्रा इति स्मृताः
नरव्याघ्रा इति स्मृताः
एतेषामाश्रया सर्वे
एतेषाम् आश्रया सर्वे
चेया काननोकसः
विचेया काननौकसः
गिरि गिरिं गिरिभिर्ये च गम्यन्ते
गिरिभिर्ये च गम्यन्ते
पवनेन प्लवेन च
प्लवनेन प्लवेन च
यत्नवन्तो यवद्वीपम्
यत्नवन्तो यवद्वीपम्
सप्तराज्योपशोभितम्
सप्तराज्योपशोभितम्
सुवर्णरूपकद्वीपम्
सुवर्णरूप्यकद्वीपम्
सुवर्णकरमण्डितम्
सुवर्णाकरमण्डितम्
okay. यवद्वीपम् अधिक्रम्य
यवद्वीपम् अतिक्रम्य
शिरो नाम पर्वतः
शिशिरो नाम पर्वतः
दिवं स्पृशति शृङ्गेण
दिवं स्पृशति शृङ्गेण
देवदानवसेवितः
देवदानवसेवितः
एतेषां गिरिदुर्गेषु
एतेषां गिरिदुर्गेषु
प्रपातेषु वनेषु च
प्रपातेषु वनेषु च
मार्गत्वं सहिता सर्वे
मार्गध्वं सहिता सर्वे
रामपत्नीं यशस्विनीं
रामपत्नीं यशस्विनीम्
also you go samudram avagadamscha also you go to the places where which is at the base of the rivers, I mean ocean, avagadamscha the parvatan, keeping the ocean as their limits. Those who are there as huge mountains, pattananicha, the towns there, mandarasya cha ye kotim samshrita kechidalayaha. Mount Mandara is also known, and all the places are which are surrounded by where the Kechid Alaya, some people who have taken those Mandara as their abode go and search there also. Interesting description of some of the beings that are there. Karna Pravaranascha. Karna Pravarana means extension. Savarana means the covering. The Pravarana. Pravarana means not Avarana. Avrunoti covers. Karnena Avrunoti idi. Karnena Prakarshena Karnam Pravarsha. Karnena Prakarsham Avaranoti. Idi Karma Pravarana. So those whose faces are covered by ears. Interesting people. Tata cha api Oshtakarnakaha. Oshtakarnakaha means those who are ears extending up to their mouth or lips. You cannot even imagine. You know, I was watching, I was looking at the, what is that? In the Star Star Wars, that Goda, that Yoda.
Yoda.
Oh yeah, whatever, that guy. His face is like that, eyes big, and then the ears and the lips are almost connected there, each other. Goda, I don't remember what the name is. So, the peculiar creatures that are there, Gora Loha Mukhascha. Those who have face like that of the iron, can you imagine? Iron faced. Nowadays, you see this, some of the characters are created like Iron Man, Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, Iron Man, iron face. And Javanaha, they are very quick, extremely fast, even though they have Ekapadaka. With 1 foot, they can fastly run. With 1 foot. Akshayaha, Akshayaha means they are not subject to death. Some of them are, so forever they are there. Balavantascha, they are strong. Tata eva Purushadakaha, they are cannibals. They eat human beings. Kirataha, they are also known as Kiratas. Tikshna Chudascha, they have tuft which are very sharp. Now you see the youngsters have that kind of a hairstyle. And now they have Chuda also nowadays. Most of them have got this back tuft. This is style. The styles are going back to what is described here on. Tuft is they're kind of, and then it's like this. Tikshna Chuda. Hemabaha, they are of the color of the golden. Priyadarshana, they are sometimes look very beautiful. And they eat what? Some of them eat Amamina Ashanaschapi. Amamina means raw fish. They don't even cook that. Ama means that which is not cooked. Amamina Ashanaschapi, Kirataha, Dvipavasina, because they are living in the islands. Perhaps he's going further beyond the east there. South is northeastern or southeastern countries. There mainly the islands. If you look at Indonesia, for example, it's a cluster of thousands of islands. Small. Bali is one of them. And there are so many of that kind in the eastern side. Northeast and southeast, all of them have so many different cultures, and they are obviously living in the islands. What else they can eat? Only fish. So, Deepavasinha, Antarjalacharaha, they are capable of going under the water and live there also. Goraha, Naravyagra, Iti Smrtaha, they are not Narascha, Vyagrascha. Vyagra is the tiger, and they are human being below the waist, tiger above. That is what is given there. Oh my, they will be looking terrible. Narasimha, lion man, this is a tiger man. Oh, that is another character that's going to come now. Tiger man. Like we have lion man, Narasimha. They have not started that part. Superman, Spider-Man, Batman have come. Ant-Man, Iron Man. Next one is Lion Man, Narasimha Avatar. Then Tiger Man, Vyagra Avatar. Etesham Ashrayaha Sarve Vicheyaha. All these people have to be, places have to be completely searched. Kanana Okasaha, fully, completely. Not leaving anything most inaccessible. And every place has to be completely searched by you. And Giribihi, Gamyante Plavanena. All the places of mountains and also all places that you can reach by the boat. Plavenecha. by swimming also. You know, whatever you can do, either swimming them, leaping them, jumping them, crossing them, wherever, which not a single place should be left unexplored. Etesham ashraya sarve vichaya. Yatnavantaha, by those people who are capable of doing, even Yavadvipam. Yavadvipa is none other than Java. Java Islands are today's world. I think the Java name is removed. I think it is still there. I'm not sure. Name has been changed probably. Saptarajya Upashobitam. Rajya Upashobitam. They are all covered with 7 kingdoms. Suvarna Rupa Kadivipam. Suvarna, even now it is also Suvarna Loka. So the place is known as the Golden Island, where it is golden mines are found. I do not know how far east he has already proceeded in description. Suvarna Karamanditam is golden mines are present there. Yavadvipam Adikramya, crossing over the Java Islands, Shishiro Nama Parvata. There is a mountain called Shishira. Divam Sprashati Shringena, the mountain peaks are almost touching the sky. Devadana was Sevitaha. It is being, the dwellers of that place is none other than Devas and Danavas. Almost like Divam going to the heaven, touching the heaven. Edesham Guri Durgeshu Pranadeshu Vaneshu cha. In all the Prapadeshu, all the falls and the mountains and the side of the mountains, all of them, Margatvam, to be searched. For what? Sarve Sakitaha, along with all people that you have got under command, whom to be searched for? Ramapatnim Yashaswini, the most well-known daughter, wife of Rama, daughter of Dasharatha. You must search for, and do not come empty-handed. This is the command given to Vinata, who is going towards the eastern direction. Oh, more places he is going to go. We'll see that in the next session. Who is going to chant today?
अगणित गुण गण भूषण रामा, आश्रित वत्सल जय जय रामा, अयोध्यावासी सीता रामा, आपद बांधव जय जय रामा, दशरथ नंदन श्री रामा, दशमुख मर्दन जय जय रामा, कौसल्या सुखवर्धन रामा, कामित फलदा जय जय रामा, पाप विमोचन श्री रामा, पट्टाभिरामा जय जय रामा, जानकी जीवन सीता रामा, जय रघुरामा जय सिया रामा, वानर सेवित श्री रामा, वारिधि बंधन जय जय रामा, हनुमत पूजित सीता रामा, जय रघुरामा जय सिया रामा, रघुपति राघव राजा रामा, पतित पावन सीता रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरु महाराज की जय।